In this video, I'll show you how you can compress a PDF file to reduce its size. Now, for some reason, you might want to do this, and that could be either you want to send the file and it's too large. So if you want to compress the file, what you can do is you want to head over to this website called ilovepdf.com. From in here, you should find compress PDF. Click on it and select your PDF file. I have mine right here. And if I press open, I will be able to hover over it and I can see how big it is. As you can see, it's 181 KB. And from the right side, you can choose what you want. Extreme compression, recommended, or less. If I choose the recommended one and press compress, you can see it will now go from 181 to 92. Let it load for a little bit. And once it's done loading, it's done loading now. You don't have to wait for this to go up. This just shows how much smaller it's going to be. So if I press the download button, I will now have the new and compressed version. Now, if you want to compress it even further, what you can do is then upload the new one that's already been compressed, as you can see, to 92 now, and you can compress it even further. So that's basically how you can compress a PDF as much as you want. Just keep in mind, the more that you compress it, the more quality it will lose. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.